Alright, a bit of a weird situation today. I'm in Brampton, and I went to this place called Don's Caribbean Jerk restaurant on Mayfield, and it looked good. They had a lot of like good deals on lunch specials and everything. Everything smelled pretty good, but we came for beef patties. I got it, spicy beef patty. Actually, it's just a beef patty. They don't have spicy or mild or whatever. But I asked her if they made them here, and she said no, it's from Tennille's, which is a bit weird because I was going to go there after this place, so I guess I don't have to go there anymore. But the one I was going to go to on, I think it's along Kennedy Road. I don't know if they make them there or if they're just a Tennille's location that gets them brought in. But anyways, we have Tennille's today. Don's doesn't make their own, which is totally fine. But yeah, let's check it out. Let's see how this. Yeah, this is nice. Nice and flaky. Good size. It's pretty light feeling. Still warm. It's busted open. Tennille's patties at Don's Caribbean Jerk restaurant. Yeah, super flaky. Killing the truck. Oh shit. Really nice. When the bread looks like that, it's nice. Meat looks good. Meat actually looks like real meat, not that jelly stuff. Definitely frozen. Feels like there's a good bit in there. It smells good. That's weird. Has like a bit of a weird fish taste. Like nothing crazy, but just like a hint of it. Price was kind of shitty. It was $3.17 around there. $3.16 each after tax. For you know, it's not bad, but fuck. I noticed when you go out to the suburbs like Brampton, Mississauga, prices are a little wild. Not wild, but it's not great. Like Kensington, I can understand their prices being wild because it's like a tourist place. But like little shit ass fucking plaza in the suburbs, like there's no reason for you to be getting a little creative with the prices. But I always just compare it to what's it called? Alwyn's, which is so far the best one we've had, and those were like less than $3. So you know, if your patties are kind of mediocre and you're charging more, it's kind of shitty. But yeah, this one I'm gonna have to, I don't know, man. I don't know who's gonna get the score, if it's for Don's or if it's for Tennille's. I guess it's for both. Don's, no, actually we can't put Don's down because, you know, they just bought them. They did give them the shitty price, but I'm gonna go with 7.1. Nah, 6.8. Yeah, that fish, that hint of fish taste is like kind of fucked up. The crust is nice, really nice. The meat does go all the way to the end, so you know, yeah, 6.8, not bad. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Fuck that. This whole, like from here, that whole piece is empty. Like it's just nothing. Air, nice fresh air for you. Yeah, fuck that. 7, what did I say, 7 or 6.8? Let's do Nintendo 6.4. 6.4, that's fair. Tennille's has a pretty good reputation. They're pretty popular. I think they're one of the more popular brands. And you know what? Fuck, I remember I actually bought a box of Tennille's a month or two ago. from the grocery store, and they were frozen ones. Brought them home, cooked them different ways. I tried microwave, air fry, bake, whatever, and they were shit. And I remember opening up or I checked all of them out. I think that's just something I do when I'm at home. But yeah, it was like there was hardly any meat in there. And I think I said something to him on Instagram or something. I made a comment like, you guys are fucking dogs for fucking putting like fuck all in the patties. So yeah, Tennille's, fuck it. You're getting a 5.1. 6.1? Give him a 6. No, fuck it. Give him a 4.2 for, for having such a good reputation and just fucking pissing on it like that with this like one scoop of meat per patty. Fuck that. And then charging whatever they're charging to make these guys charge whatever they charge. Fuck that. 2.4 to Neil's. But the girl working at Don's, some girl with glasses, really nice girl. Don's, I would recommend, especially if you want like a lunch special, jerk chicken or fried chicken or whatever. I think it was like $7.60 plus tax. That's pretty good. Anyways, yeah. Fuck Tennille's, and thumbs up for Don's in Brampton. Bro. It's not even a fucking beef patty, it's a bread patty.